Shine Records. We need another one. I hope you are ready for this one. We unstoppable, we unbeatable, we untouchable. Won't let that one do. We unstoppable, we unbeatable, we untouchable. Won't let that one do. We only that one do. Don't let that one do. Don't let that one do. Don't let that one do. Won't let that one do. Won't let that one do. Won't let that one do. Don't let that one do. Don't let that one do. Don't let that one do.
Won't let that one do this one time. We know they're wrong with the walk back.
Yeah, you already know this is your boy T Money representing for all my Naija people. How you not there in Naija? Naija with day Canada, US, London. I know there's a Nigerian everywhere you go. You see a Nigerian. I'm representing for every Nigerian, every single Nigerian, poor, rich, young, adult, every single Nigerian away there anywhere you there in the world, man. I have a show coming up. Really soon. Mojy show, what's up, baby? How you doing now? I did, yo. Look at you. Looking all fine. What's up, man? What's in day?
Nothing. I just did this.
You didn't enjoy? You didn't enjoy America.
Enjoyment with that one.
You know, the best way to enjoy America.
Enjoyment with that one. No, na government money.
Government money with the chop.
Anyhow, how you doing? What's this camera about? I'm not on TV.
This is Switch Up TV. This is Switch Up TV. Get familiar.
Switch Up got a TV.
They got a TV show.
I only thought they do magazines.
So matter of fact, I have a show coming up really soon.
No, tell me you're lying.
I'm not lying. I know they lie, yo. I know they lie, yo.
Because that's exactly what I came
Naija, we know they lie. We got a show, really?
I'm like, okay, we are here sitting doing nothing. Why don't we just start a show? You know why, right? Because we have a lot of Nigerians abroad and they have no clue what's going on in Nigeria. You know what I'm saying?
You're right.
How about let's just give them something to talk about?
No, give them something, man.
As in comedy style, have people.
I don't ready.
You know what I'm saying? Okay, this is what we're going to hook them up with, right? We talk about entertainment. As in Nollywood is going up.
Yep.
Second largest movie producing industry in the world.
Naija, in the whole world too.
Nollywood, you know, Nollywood. Naija music industry, crazy, super stuff, beef, everything. We're hooking you up with that. We're talking politics. What the hell is that?
Even the hip hop in Nigeria is blown up so much right now.
It's getting crazy.
If you're watching CNN, you see Nigeria on it every single day now.
And we're talking politics. We're talking. If you want to go to Nigeria, you need somewhere to go. We're hooking you up.
I even have a secret to tell you about the president of Nigeria. How about that?
Don't give out too much information.
How about that?
Don't. Okay, stop.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Stop.
So
that means they have to watch our show.
But doing this show, we need you audience to support us. We need everybody to support us. So we need ideas from you. What do you think?
What exactly do you think? You need to let us know what you want, what you think. We got you. We're here for you. Me, Mojy Show, Team Money.
We can't do it without you guys. We know if we do and without you. Maybe be Naija, if you be America, go on your keyboard, type to us what you think. The name of the show is What Do You Think?
It's all for you. That's why we're asking you, what do you think? So don't hesitate to drop comments for us. Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, YouTube. We're everywhere. Switch Up TV.
Even if you don't have a phone,
soon.
if you can mail us a letter, we appreciate it. You see our address. If you go on Facebook, what do you think? Facebook/what do you think? You see us on it. Go look us up. Add us as a friend. If you don't have us as a friend, tell your friend. Add us as a friend. Tell your mother. Add us as a friend. Everybody in your family, add us as a friend.
Get familiar. You don't want to be.
You think?
Tell them. If they don't know, if we don't know what they think, what are they on? They're on a long thing, serious long thing. Catch the vibe. You know what I'm saying? Naija people, Switch Up TV coming at you very soon. So you guys watch out. We're out. Peace.
Switch Up TV. What do you think?
Switch Up TV. What do you think?
I hope you are ready for this one. We unstoppable, we unbeatable, we untouchable. Won't let that one do. We unstoppable, we unbeatable, we untouchable. Won't let that one do. We won't let that one do. Don't let that one do. Don't let that one do. Don't let that one do. Won't let that one do. Won't let that one do. Won't let that one do. Don't let that one do. Don't let that one do. Don't let that one do.
Only that I do this one time. We know they're wrong with the walk back. Jasikoto, he be wonder. What concerns you, I wonder. When you see us for concert, put your hands up to the sky like this. Just scream out, Hosanna. Records to the day that I die. Fly boy to the day that I die. Fine boy to the day that I die. Ninja boy to the day that I die. C.I. do it B.I. G's are rough when you see me swing by. Natural fly, we don't need a visa. Pocket full of dollars looking like green cards. Go faster, y'all dudes retard. I mean terror, Nash to the shot up. Gotta love T, it's not hop shunner. Yahoo.com, I got paid $1,000. FCC, know they hard wanna holler. Since I remember, I be popping my collar. Holla.
It's your boy, J.O. My nigga Sean, T-Money. Check it out, Watch area, Mo, who won't stop me? Big Josh, show shine and Young T. Put it down on the mic so lovely. Getting money every day is a must be. And Jawalakbo, no money. This one right here, no frontin'. Wanna borrow, won't